The badge belongs to the block. Did you go? Yeah, we right. Same truth survives. The badge belongs to the block, not the strangers on the clock. Yeah. It's on the clock. Yeah. The badge belongs to the block. Yeah. The badge belongs to us.
Yeah. Stage belongs to the block on medical. Style somatic, hip-hop and powerful. Anthem the flock is powerful. 90 BPM, steady and deliberate. In the scrolls they wrote a balance, harmony and trust. Today we write the same in streets of steel and dust. Guardians, neighbors, not strangers at the door. The badge belongs to the block and the people want more. New York shadows where the sirens cry. Half the force lives miles outside. Distance builds walls that eyes can't hide. Trust the roads when the routes divide. Los Angeles freeways, lights in the haze. Badges commuting from faraway days. When the guardian's gone, at the close of the ship, how can the bond between people uplove? The badge belongs to the block, not to strangers on the clock. Guardians rise where the roots run deep. Justice is stronger when it walks our street. The badge belongs to the block, not to strangers on the clock. Guardians rise where the roots run deep. Justice is stronger when it walks our street. Yeah, when it walks our street. Chicago fights with history's flame. Residency rules, but the pain's the same. Without reform, the law's just a shell. Balance breaks when the weight is held. Miami glitters, the numbers align, but illusion fades when the trust declines. Appearance alone cannot seal the deal. Essence is needed, the truth must heal. The badge belongs to the block, not to strangers on the clock. Guardians rise where the roots run deep. Justice is stronger when it walks our street. The badge belongs to the block, not to strangers on the clock. Guardians rise where the roots run deep. Justice is stronger when it walks our street. As above, so below. Harmony flows, as within, so without. Justice grows when the badge is a neighbor. The story is clear, authority is trust, not fear. Union City speaks and voice is known. Officers rooted, community grown. Pathetic rights, the law in stone. The badge is a neighbor, never alone. The badge belongs to the block. Hear the heartbeat, feel the shock. From ancient scrolls to city lights, justice is born where we live our nights. The ancients said balance keeps kingdoms alive. Today we learn the same.